Jeff Bezos, $150 billion net worth, paid zero in federal taxes. Elon Musk, richest person on Earth, also zero. And there's a three-word strategy they all use that makes this completely legal. It's called buy, borrow, die. And once you understand it, you'll never look at money the same way again. Because what I'm about to show you isn't just about taxes, it's about why you'll never get rich working a job. Here's how the real game works. You think billionaires make money like you do: salary, bonuses, maybe stock options. Wrong. Elon's Tesla salary? $0. Zuckerberg? $1 per year. Bezos? $81,000, less than a doctor. So here's the question that unlocks everything. If they're not getting paid, how are they buying $500 million yachts and $100 million mansions? The answer is so simple, it'll make you angry. They don't use money, they use debt. Here's the exact play. Bezos owns $150 billion in Amazon stock. He never sells it, because selling means paying 20% capital gains tax. That's $30 billion gone. Instead, he walks into Goldman Sachs and says, "Give me $1 billion. I'll put up my stock as collateral." The bank gives it to him instantly. Why? Zero risk. His collateral is worth 150 times the loan. And here's the part that changes everything. Loans aren't taxed. It's not income, it's debt. So Bezos gets $1 billion tax-free to live like a king. Meanwhile, you're paying 25% before your paycheck even hits your account. But you're thinking, doesn't he have to pay it back? That's where the real trick happens. His Amazon stock grows 20% per year. The loan interest? Maybe 2 to 3%. He's making 17% just by borrowing money. 5 years pass. His stock doubles. The loan comes due. Does he pay it back? Number. He takes out an even bigger loan against his now more valuable stock, pays off the first loan, pockets the difference. Still no taxes. Borrow. Wait. Grow. Borrow more. Repeat forever. This is the borrow part of buy, borrow, die. But the die part? That's where it gets absolutely insane. When billionaires die, their heirs inherit everything. And thanks to something called the stepped-up basis, a legal loophole, all those gains get erased. Let me show you how. Bezos bought Amazon stock at $10. It's now worth $10,000. That's a $9,990 gain that should be taxed. But when he dies, his kids inherit it at $10,000. That $9,990 gain, never taxed. Not for him, not for them. It vanishes. The loans? They sell a tiny fraction, now tax-free, and pay them off. The entire fortune passes down. Zero taxes, ever. So let's be clear. This isn't about billionaires being greedy. It's about them playing a different game entirely. You're playing trade time for money, pay taxes, repeat. They're playing buy assets, borrow against them, never sell, pass it down. The system isn't broken. It's working exactly as designed, for people who own assets, not for people who earn paychecks. And here's what nobody tells you. You don't need billions to start thinking this way. Because next week, I'm showing you how regular people can actually use a version of this strategy, legally, ethically, and without needing millions to start. If your mind is spinning right now, smash that subscribe button. Because once you see how money really works, you can't unsee it. And trust me, you don't want to.